Prepositions. We find prepositions are words that are used to place before noun or pronoun to show the relationship between them. For example, in, into, out of, on, onto, to, for, with, of, at, of, inside, outside, above, below, over, under, underneath, in front of, behind, opposite, between, near, next to, beside, by, along, across, through, up, down, past, around, etc. We have many kinds of prepositions of place. For example, I like swimming in the sea. She meets me at the station. He puts the picture on the wall. We have many kinds of prepositions of movement. For example, I fall into the river. A cat jumps onto the table. A woman jumps off the swimming plank. We have three kinds of preposition of time. For example, we have breakfast at 8 o'clock. It rains a lot in rainy season. I fly to the USA on Saturday. Let us learn about the praise prepositions. We find a praise preposition is a group of words containing a preposition, a noun or pronoun, and any modifier of the object. For example, the bird flew in search of food. Okay, students, do you understand what is a preposition? Yes, preposition is a word that is used before noun or pronoun. We use before noun or a pronoun. Okay, why? To show the relationship between them. Okay, we will use preposition between the noun or pronoun to show the relationship between them. Okay, see, these are all prepositions. And then what we learned in this chapter? Yes, we learned praise prepositions, right? Praise prepositions means what? It is a group of words containing a preposition, a noun or pronoun, and any modifier of the object. Okay, in this praise preposition there will be a group of words. It contains what? It contains preposition. See, preposition, a noun, then what? A pronoun will be there, he, she, like that, and it will modify the object. It will modify the object. That is praise prepositions. Okay, students, now let's start writing the textbook part. Okay, see, fill in the blanks with the preposition of time, in, on, at. Okay, he was born dash 1945. So time, in, on, at. This we have to add here. Okay, here the year given, so we have to write in, born in. Okay, then where were you dash the lunch time? Where were you dash the lunch time? Yes, at the lunch time, at. Okay, next, he gets up early. Sorry, I will call you dash 12 noon. It's a time, no? So at. I will call you at. I will call you at 12 noon. He gets up early dash the morning. Early? Yes, in the morning. No? Early in the morning. She will go to New York dash 25th March. She will go to New York dash 25th March. On 25th March. The concert will begin dash 7 o'clock. Okay, the concert will begin dash 7 o'clock. So what? Yes, at 7 o'clock. Next, we enjoyed a lot dash the summer. What? In the summer, right? The president will deliver speech to public dash Independence Day. On Independence Day. Okay, on Independence Day. She received a lot of gifts dash her birthday. On her birthday. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions of place and direction. Okay, place and direction. The wedding ceremony will be held dash hall. What is the answer? Will be held in the hall, right? Next, there was a huge gathering dash bus stop. What? At the bus stop. At the bus stop. His house is dash the end of street. His house is dash at the end. At the end of street. See here, students, you have any doubt? See, here we can see types of prepositions. See, preposition for time we can use on, in, at. Okay. For preposition for place we can use in, on, at. Okay. Preposition for direction we can use to, towards, into, through. Okay. And a preposition for agent we can use by, to, for. Preposition for device, instruments or machines we can use on, by, with. Okay. Preposition used after verbs to make a prepositional phrases we can use look at, look after, laugh at. Okay. So don't be confused. According to the sentence we will write this. Okay. And now see, there are some books dash the table. There are some books dash the table. Yes, tell me. Fourth question. On the table, right? Yes, on the table, not in the table. The teacher wrote a sentence dash blackboard. Yes, on, right? On blackboard. On blackboard. She went dash the library. She went dash the library. Went to the library. To, inside she went. Okay. To the library. He jumped dash the river. Yes, into the river. Into the river. She lives dash New York. In New York. Students study dash library. Students study dash library. At library. Okay. He was flying kite dash the roof. He was flying kite on the roof. On. Okay. Her parents were waiting for her dash the entrance of school. her parents were waiting for her dash the entrance of school. Okay, what is the answer? At the entrance. He ran away when he felt that someone was coming dash him. Coming? Yes, tell me. Yes, towards direction. No, towards TOWARDS, towards him. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions of agent, device, instrument or machine with or by. We have to add with or by. Okay. This book is written dash Shakespeare. Written by Shakespeare. The work was completed dash him. By him. The room was decorated dash her. By her. The tube is filled dash water. With water. She comes dash bus daily. By bus. He opened the lock dash key. With key. WITH. With. Okay. Circle the preposition and identify the type of preposition. The cat was sleeping on the table. We have to circle the preposition and identify what type of preposition it was. Okay, we told no types of prepositions. Look here, students. There are many kinds of prepositions. No, preposition of place, then preposition of movement, then preposition of time. Right? So we have to tell what type of preposition it was. Okay. If it was talking about time, we have to tell preposition of time. See. Then if it was talking about movements, we have to tell preposition of movement. If it is talking about place, then we can tell preposition of place. Okay, students. Now tell me. The cat was sleeping on the table. The cat was sleeping on the table. So, what circle? What is preposition here? On. No? So, circle on. And what type of preposition this is? Yes. Preposition of table. It is a place. No? So, we can write preposition of preposition for, not of, for place, place. Next, he will come in January. In, no preposition, so circle in. What type of preposition this is? In January. He will come in January. It is preposition of time. No? Preposition of time. Preposition of time. TIME. Okay? Next, wedding ceremony will be held on 20th December. So, the preposition is on. What type of preposition this is? Yes, time, no. Preposition of time. TIME, time. Next, I was waiting for you. So, here preposition what ma? For. F-O-R, for. Circle it. And what type of preposition? Yes, it is a praise, right? So we have to write preposition prepositional T-I-O-N-A-L P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N-A-L prepositional praise P-H-R-A-S-E. Okay, we learn now prepositional praise. What is that? It will tell a group of words containing a preposition, a noun or a pronoun, right? It will modify the object. Okay, so this sentence is prepositional praise 4. Okay, then someone is knocking at the door. Someone is knocking at the door. So here preposition is at. What type of preposition? Yes, it is prepositional praise. This also. Okay, number 5. Okay, see here student, prepositional praise. So write P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N-A-L P-H-R-A-S-E praise. Okay, next, she came by bus. So what is the preposition here? By. What type of preposition? Yes, preposition for device. This is time came means device, no? So time came means what? Device. So see here, preposition of device. What can by? By means preposition of device. Okay, so see here, by bus. So what type of preposition is this? Yes, preposition for device. P-R-E for device. D-E-V-I-C-E. He lives in Paris. He lives in Paris. Preposition is in. What type of preposition? Yes, preposition for a place, no? P-R-E for place. P-L-A-C-E. She looked at the stranger. In this word preposition what? At. What type of preposition this is? She looked at the stranger. Prepositional praise. Okay, prepositional praise. P-R-E-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N-A-L prepositional praise. P-H-R-A-S-E. Okay, next, underline the praise preposition in the following sentences. Okay, we have to underline the praise preposition. So praise preposition means what? See here, we see praise preposition. Okay, see, it is a preposition of a noun or pronoun and it will modify the object. That is praise preposition. We have to underline the praise preposition. Okay, see, I am speaking on behalf of my staff. So what is praise preposition? On behalf. On behalf of. This we have to underline. Okay, on behalf of. He could not study further for want of funds. In this sentence, what is the praise preposition? Yes, for want of. For want of. Okay, you can go instead of me. So what is praise preposition? Instead of. It will modify. It will modify. Okay, praise preposition will modify the noun, pronoun or whatever may be. Okay, in order to succeed, you must work hard. What? Praise preposition is in order to. in order to, that is the praise preposition. You can take his bag instead of that. So, instead of is the praise preposition. In course of time, he saw his mistake. In course of time, he saw his mistake. What is? Yes, in course of. This praise Next is, students, choose a suitable praise preposition from the box and fill up the blanks. Okay, from here we have to select the praise prepositions. They arrived quickly, dash an airplane. So what we have to write? Yes, by, see, by means of, no, means of, by means of an aeroplane. Okay, right? Quickly, by, MEANS, means of an aeroplane, not aeroplane, airplane. Okay, he always goes, dash his mother's wishes. He always goes, see what? Praise preposition, according to, right? Yes, according to the sentence we have to select the praises. Okay, here according, ACCORDING, according to. Okay, now see, he always goes according to his mother's wishes. There is a tree, dash my house. There is a tree, dash my house. See, in front of, right? Yes, write down INFRONT, in front of. Okay, she missed the class, dash her illness. She missed the class, what? Owing to. She missed the class owing to. See, OWING, owing to her illness. Give me some biscuits, dash the tea. Give me some biscuits, what? Along with. ALONG, along with, WITH, along with. As I could not go, he went there, dash me. He went, one missed, what is that? See, in place of, went there, in place, PLACE, in place of. Okay, students. Okay, write everything neatly and send to us in the group. Okay, students, have a nice day.